wants us to fight, to harm each other. He wants us to be jealous, not realizing by you being jealous of someone, it's not going to give you that thing at all. Ask Allah. If anything, Allah tells you when you help someone, we will help you even more than you've helped that person. When you help someone come up, we will make sure that you're even higher. And the heights in the eyes of Allah are not only the heights of this world. Primarily, even if you don't have that much on earth, but if you're successful for eternity later on, isn't that a greater gift of Allah Almighty? So my brothers and sisters, Allah tells us, whenever you've achieved something, immediately relate it to me. Wow, that's a means of protection. Don't let it make you haughty. Don't let it make you proud, arrogant. Don't let it make you think I'm someone and something and I, because no, it's from Allah. How many people overnight Allah's taken away what He gave them? How many people have lost their sight overnight? May Allah restore their sight. How many people Allah has tested with so many challenges after they thought they were it? Agreed? So many people. So Allah tells you, protect yourself from your own self. Protect yourself from the harm of yourself. Allahumma inni bika min sharri nafsi. Oh Allah, I seek your protection from the evil of my own self. I'm going to harm my own self. Why? Because your character and conduct has headed in the wrong direction, where you are not even protected from your own weaknesses. Against yourself. You're going to do something that's going to result in your own downfall. Therefore, my brothers and sisters, constantly call out to Allah, worship Allah alone, ensure that you fulfill your obligations unto Allah to the best of your ability, and be humble. Thank Allah when He's blessed you with something, because worse than someone else being jealous of you is when you have developed an air because you've achieved something, not realizing you're just a minute creature of Allah. That's what it is.